Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I know I've been away for some time now. My computer crashed on me and it wasn't functioning at all, so I had to go and get it fixed. I wasn't able to upload any videos. I'm so sorry, but I'm back now. So in today's video we're going to be talking about 7 subtle signs that you might be ugly and how to fix them. Number 1, you always look bad in pictures that other people take of you. Now, if you've noticed that you look good in pictures that you take of yourself, maybe these are selfies or mirror photos, but you always look bad in pictures that other people take of you, then something is very, very wrong here. The reason for this disparity is not that you're ugly, it's just that you don't know your angles. Now, this is why on this channel, I always emphasize, go to the mirror and look at yourself. Try different poses, know which size suits you best. And this is why models look perfect in all pictures that they take, because they know their angles. For example, me, I know that my best side is my right side. That's why when I'm taking pictures, I look to the left most of the time. Now with this information, you can go to your bathroom, try different poses out and see what looks best for you, so that next time when someone tries to take a picture of you outside, you can stand straight, face the direction that fits you best, and give a half grain, and I promise you those pictures will look way better than before. Number 2, you're not as shredded as you want to be. Now think of when you go to pool parties. You see some of these guys shirtless, they look like they were carved from stone, like they're not even humans. And then you see some other guys who wear t-shirts to enter the pool. Now that is a no-no, that is not a vibe at all. So the first point I'm going to give you is workout. There's no way around it. You need to get yourself involved in some physical activity. Even if you're not going to the gym, find something to keep you active and keep you in shape. I don't care whether you're a guy or girl listening to me, a man or woman listening to me. You need to work and get your body in shape, right? Now, when you've done this, especially for the guys, make sure you don't have a forest on your chest, okay? Even if you don't want to shave everything off, shave some of it, because pulling your shirt off and having a forest on there just takes a lot of attraction points off you. Now, this is why models always look good, right? Because they know how to take care of their body, they know how to look aesthetically pleasing. So even if you shave some of it off or even shave all of it off, when you take off your shirt, that enhances your muscles and it makes you more attractive. You're welcome. Number 3, girls have never stared at you before. Now one thing that girls never do is walk up to you. This rarely happens, it almost never happens, right? But one thing that they will always do is stare at you. Yes, this happens, it exists, it happens to some of us, right? But if this has never happened to you before, then you might be ugly. But wait, it's not your fault. You need to give them something good to look at. So be honest with yourself now. Go to the mirror and look at yourself. Put yourself in someone else's shoes. Would you find yourself attractive? Do you think you look presentable? Now, if the answer is no, then you need to work on yourself. You need to improve yourself. Number 4, you're always compared to your siblings. Now this point is more for the guys. Have you guys ever noticed that your older siblings get compliments from friends and family about how handsome they look and you get nothing? Well, this is the worst thing ever, because you guys come from the same genes. But don't worry, because it takes time to grow, right? The reason why your older siblings look good now is because they've matured, and testosterone shapes the frame of your body. So just give it time. By the time you grow older and you're more mature, your body is going to reshape. You're going to change basically, and you're going to look much better. So just give it time. Number 5, when someone asks you out as a joke, oh my god, this brought back so many memories from secondary school. Classmates will literally dare each other to ask the ugliest person out. Now if this has happened to you, I'm sorry, don't get upset, leave the past behind, because things that happen in secondary school don't really matter. Your glow up is literally in your hands. Now what you need to do is follow the tips I mentioned in this video, work on them, add them to your daily routine, into your life, and by the time you have that reunion party 5 years later, 10 years later, you're going to stand out from everybody else. All those people who are the coolest kids in secondary school or the finest kids in secondary school won't matter, because you listen to what I said in this video. Now we've come to the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming back. I'm back now. We're not going to have any more delays with my releases. Guys, don't forget to follow my new Instagram page, Daniel on Instagram with 3 L's, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.